I try not to think, try harder to live. I try not to stress, don't overthink. To get you depressed of the things that's not meant for me. To a real one, I take a duffel bag of baggage. I take it off your shoulders, I take it out your hands. Too young to be where we need to be, 'cause we getting colder. Yeah, we getting older. Yeah, we getting colder. So if you keep it a man, I'ma need you to take a seat. This hot seat, this hot tea, this bomb weed. Push out the steam, move away the BS. Taking a break, take a hit of joy. Wrapped in a blanket, made of gold. Yeah, I'm a heat, and let's blow. X's and O's, live in the highs and not the lows. Blow X's and O's, forget your X's and O's. Blow X's and O's, blow X's and O's. My brothers and sisters, I know lately it's been hard, but it ain't gotta be what it is for a little hop in the car and just pull up, hop out and relax and take a seat now. Let's take this moment, let's take a while, let's take this time.